on Canvas, you're going to go over here to People, and then go to this tab Groups, and then scroll down to the groups for week 4, and you'll see these group options for week 4, and you can choose whichever one you want to join. The main purpose of this, of course, is just to give you the opportunity to choose one of these 2 options for a video conference. On your screen, this should not be locked. You should be able to click on this so that you can join the group. If you can't do a video conference or don't want to, then of course you'll join one of these 3 groups. Just be sure that you join a group before you post any responses in the first response forum for this week. If you don't do that, then your group members will not be able to see what you contribute to the discussion. So hopefully that works for you, and I will see you either in the forums or at least for response forum 2, some of you, hopefully in a video conference on Monday, a week from today, the first day of week 4. That'll be the last day of week 4. Have a good week.